And welcome to the Stack Manager. I'm going to be giving you a tour of our application. It lets you easily manage stacks without having to worry about the little details. Stacks are groups of cloud technology that you use to run your business's applications. All the information and tools you need for day-to-day management are at your fingertips. To start, we need to sign into the application. You can sign in with your Google account as long as you have an account on your company's domain. For this demonstration, we will be using the RMIT student domain. Everything you need to manage your cloud stacks is here on one page. The Stack Manager will even automatically find stacks that are running in its environment. So, if you created a stack outside of the application, the Stack Manager will find it and add it to its list of stacks. Expanding one of your stacks, you can see more detailed information. You can start, stop, and delete this stack. And, as you can see, when we stop a stack, it will change its status from running to stopping. When the stop routine is finished, the application will reflect these changes by saying the stack is stopped. Along with name and unique IDs, every stack has a type and size that define it. The type defines what goes into the stack. When creating a type, a name and a reference to a creation script must be provided, which has codes created as a stack of that type. The size is a subtype which defines the amount of resources the stack uses, whether that's storage, CPU cores, or something else. The size also defines the running cost of the stack. The Stack Manager also has customizable information on stacks that isn't held on the cloud platform but in the application itself. To edit this information, you can click on the Edit button to enable the editable fields. The stacks can have scheduled start and stop times, which are written here, and they are expressed in a syntax called a cron expression. Cron expression is a standard language used to represent the schedule of some event. They are much more powerful than a simple calendar, as they are able to schedule just about any sequence of times, rather than a single time on a specific date. Use a stack going down for maintenance on the second Friday of every month at 11 PM and coming back up the next day at 6. You can do that with a cron expression. If you're worried about writing out these expressions, don't be. The application gives you hints along the way and notifies you if you get something wrong, like so. The Stack Manager also lets you categorize and label your stacks with its tag system. On the right side, you'll see the tag section. Tags are stored as name group values. This provides you the ability to add any information you want to a stack. You could add a list of the admins that manage a stack, or you can distinguish two stacks by tagging what environment they're in. When you're finished changing information about the stack, simply press the orange Save button and your changes will be saved. Let's move on to the top of the website. Here we can see summary information about the stacks contained in the application. We can see the number of stacks we have, as well as the total estimated cost for the current week and the current month. Please note that these are estimates and they don't take into account all possible metrics and costs. Even so, this gives you a good indication of where your money is going at a glance. The summary gets more interesting as we start filtering. So let's move on to the filter. The filter allows you to reduce the number of stacks you're viewing based on their tags. You type in a key and a value, and as you type, the stacks on the right hand side of the screen are reduced to the stacks that match the filter. So if you look for dev environment stacks, you can see the stacks are filtered. This affects the summary at the top of the screen too. It summarizes just the stacks that are shown on the screen, so that you can see cost information for any group of stacks. The Stack Manager doesn't just let you update your existing stacks either, it lets you create them too. By clicking on the Create Stack button, we get a screen that looks very similar to the stack information, but it's empty. You can fill it out with any information you need, choose its type and size, and press Save. Then it will be created and you can manage it from within the application. So we'll just create a simple stack, give it a simple name. We will make an accounting REST API, set it to X.1, which costs $1.45 an hour. Click Create, and we'll remove the filter, and there we are. Here's the new stack that we created. And that's it for the Stack Manager. Thank you.